Hi CS50, this is actually to track the 90 days reporting requirement that you need to do if you're an expat in Thailand. So this is the home page. As you can see, this is responsive. So let's sign up for an account. So let's just say that my username is test and then my email address is me@wayjay.info, and then let's just say that this is the standard password. So sign up. Okay, so once you sign up, then you can see the interface is very simple. You have an entry and renewal date. If there's actually nothing will be displayed here. So let's just say that you have actually got your visa. You know that your renewal date is, let's say, 30th of November. Okay, so the system will actually automatically calculate what is the online renewal starting date and then the ending date of renewal. So since now I know that I need to renew this, so let's just say that I have reported this. Today. So let's just say that I have reported this today, and then when I submit, so as you can see, now the renewal date has been actually forwarded 3 months into the future, because that is the next 90 days and so on, and then the calculation will be automatically put here. And then if we actually look at the UI, this is also responsive. And then if we go to the history, you can see that this is the part that we used to do. So let's just say that, for example, if I did a mistake here, so I could just delete this record, delete this whole record, and then I could just undo this, and then voila, everything will be done here. So let's just say that I realized that wasn't a mistake, and then this is here, right? Let's just say I accidentally click undo. It will say that cannot undo the history because there's an active record here. So there's another case that when you're an expat, you already departed to another country. So let's just say that I have departed. Let's say the day that I have departed is, say, because that one was on February. So let's just say that I have departed the country, say, on December 25th, so that I could go and celebrate Christmas. So now you can see that there's nothing here, but you can see just now the part, right, the departure date was 25th of December. So then let's say I came to Thailand again on the 1st of January 2022. So as you can see, everything will be here. So let's just say that if I wanted to add the online reporting, which is this range, to my Google Calendar, I can click this, and then this will actually go to my Google Calendar. So you see, this is the 18th March to 25th March. So I can just directly add this. If not, if I want to actually add the deadline to the Google Calendar, it will actually also like create this for me, and then this is April 1st. See, April 1st. So this is actually the very basic function. What if I actually wanted to change my password and I forgot about my password? So oh yeah, before that, right, let's say that if I were to put test, this one it will actually automatically check that, oh, that is actually incorrect before I even start. Let's say I go for test 2. Let's see if that, okay, this is a valid username. Just now I was actually using my email, which is email.info. Oh, so this is actually not valid. So let's say if I change this to 2, now you can see this is valid. So this is another feature that I was using Ajax to actually do the calling. Let's say, for example, if I forget my password, what should I do? So if I forget my password, let's just say me@wayjay.info, I can just submit this, and then it will actually send an email to my account. Okay, so you see, now this email is here, so I can actually like create a new password. Just now I was having a simple password from 1 to 8. So if I want to actually change the password to, let's say, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So from 8 digits, right, now I actually have 10 digits. So let's just say if I were to try to log in again, I can have test. Now it logs in again. So this is actually a very quick demo of the system. So the system is also responsive, and I'm actually able to still look at this here like this. And then if I were to actually log out, so the whole system here is also responsive. If I want to log in, the login is also responsive. The sign up is also responsive. Thank you very much for your kind attention.